When you see them, you just know.
No wavering.
No calculation.
No wondering or moment of doubt.
Nothing but cold buck fever and the hope that you can hold it together.
They're not the deer of next season.
Or of any time down the line. They're the deer of right now. Planting, scouting, waiting until the time was right.
That work is done.
These bucks say the eagle has flown and payday has arrived. These are the shooters.
Brady said the deer there's trails going across here left and right because there's plum thickets and CRP over here. Plum thickets and CRP over here. Bunch of scrapes and rubs in that little patch of cottonwoods up there. Big cedar thicket. I mean, unbelievable place to be sitting during the rut. So. Two does down there. It's a good sign. That's what we want. This time of year, if you got does standing in front of you, you know what can come out next. That's for sure. Hey, deer popping out. That's him. Big buck, big buck. There he comes, dude. Good night, dude. Hit him high, but he's down. Big buck, dude. Oh, gosh. He's big, dude.
That is awesome.
Oh, man. There he is. Check him out. Big old chocolate horn 10-point. Got a kicker right here. Good mass, good tall tines. Good gracious, look at that.
We changed our setup yesterday morning. We were right down in that bottom against the side of that hill. And a couple climbing stands. Facing back up this way. And all the deer were running on this fence line right here. So in the middle of the day, we went and got a ladder stand, put it up right here. Buck right there. And then that little patch. Yep. He's 35. You own him, Kelly. Man, I think it's perfect shot. That's perfect shot. So I can't believe that. Oh. Awesome hunt, man. Good Lord. Oh, wait a minute. Wait a minute.
See my cam man, this buck laying right over there on the other side. Look at that right there. I don't know what to say, man. I've always wanted to hunt out here in the Midwest, and this is the reason why.
We're in the deep south, that ain't a plantation here. In the south, we got these SMCs, or these natural ditches or funnels, hardwoods. It's got a rolling pines and sage flats. There's a hardwood drainages. It really hold a lot of deer. And the deer will funnel back and forth using these ditches. We hope to get some rut activity. There's been some bucks in there chasing. That's a shooter there. That's a nice buck.
Damn, Popignon. Nice 10-pointer, nice. That's what it's all about. That's what it's all about. What about that? Man. This fork there, nice 10-point. Man, what a buck.
Right up a tree here, and then 3 or 4 red oaks, and they're all dropping acorns. There's a little more wind tonight, but last night it sounded like rain back here. I think he got past us again. Got his head down in the beans. It's about 90 yards away. He's behind that big picture right there. That is hard on, brother. Check out my legs, man. That's a can't see 2 feet in here. Oh, there he is right there. Look at this size, man. Dude, look how big that deer is. Oh my gosh. Look at that deer. Man, look how big his head is.
Man, you just can't tell how big the mass is in the trail camera picture. Look how thick that is. I can barely get my hand around there. What a buck. That is a big whitetail.